Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm walking you through how to send USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance. Whether you're cashing out or moving funds, I'll show you the safest and easiest way to do it. Alright, here's the plan. 1. Access your OKX wallet using your seed phrase. 2. Verify your USDT balance. 3. Get your Binance deposit address. 4. Send your USDT safely and securely. Accessing your OKX wallet. First things first, open your OKX wallet app or browser extension. Since you have your seed phrase alarm fetch churn bridge exercise tape speak race clerk couch crater letter, you can easily restore access if needed. Just make sure no one else sees this phrase, as it's the key to your funds. 2. Checking your USDT balance once inside. Check that your USDT is available. Ensure you know the network it's on, like Ethereum, Turk20, or another blockchain, because this is crucial for the transfer. 3. Getting your Binance deposit address. Next, log into your Binance account. Head to the wallet section and click deposit. Select USDT and choose the correct network. Binance supports multiple networks, like ERC20, TRC20, and BP20. Choose the one matching your OKX wallet to avoid losing your funds. 4. Sending USDT from OKX to Binance. Go back to your OKX wallet, select USDT, and hit send. Taste your Binance deposit address and double-check it. Mistakes can be costly. Enter the amount, confirm the transaction, and pay the network fee. 5. Monitoring the transaction. Once you've sent the funds, you can track the transaction using a blockchain explorer for the chosen network. The transfer usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. 6. Safety tips. A quick reminder. Always double-check wallet addresses. Use the correct network for your USDT. Keep your seed phrase safe and private, and that's it. Your USDT is now on Binance. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.